Two fierce cats engage in a heated battle, claws out and fur flying. Growls and hisses fill the air as the cats defend their territory. Each cat shows its strength and agility in the intense confrontation. The fight escalates with quick movements and sharp attacks, their eyes locked in a fierce gaze, neither willing to back down. The intensity rises as the cats show no signs of surrender. The battle reaches its peak, with both cats at the height of their aggression. Despite the chaos, their determination to win remains unwavering. As the dust settles, one cat emerges victorious, claiming dominance. The defeated cat retreats, acknowledging the winner's